Hi friends, good to see you again. An interesting video. We have seen voltage, current, power and phases in the previous video. So come let us see neutral, earthing, resistance and electric shock in this video as a continuity of electrical basis. We all have come across basic terms in electrical engineering: neutral, earthing, resistance and electric shock. In this video, let us see one by one so that we will have a clear clarity on the electrical basic engineering. Come let us see about neutral and earthing. The small comparison will help you to understand a lot. Neutral is originated from the substations or distribution points. It serves as zero potential reference point and return path as well. Earthing is all available in all utility areas, houses, factories, schools, commercial buildings, etc. Without neutral, the circuit will not be closed, so we can't utilize electricity. Without earthing, electricity can be used, but it is unsafe. It is used for human safety. Current will flow only if there is a difference in potential. So the neutral point is considered to have a zero potential for the free flow of current. Since the earth is always zero potential and less resistance path, any line fault occurs, excess current will discharge itself immediately. Neutral earth pit will be in copper pipe or plate, whereas earthing will be GI pipe or plate. Neutral is mentioned in black color, earthing is mentioned in green color. The reference image is attached for your quick understanding. You can see the color code which is used in India for the phases, earthing and neutral. It will vary from country to country. Let us understand how the earth pit will be done. This is the basic understanding of how the earth pit will be. So in earth pit, if you see in the earthing charcoal and salt are used in the conventional piping and plate earthing. The layer of charcoal and salt helps to maintain low resistance for earth fault currents. Because of ionic behavior of salt and charcoal, they will maintain the moisture. The earth resistance is simply calculated by using Ohm's law. Refer IEC 60364 for more understanding on earthing. Different types of earthing used across industry is plate earthing, pipe earthing and tripod earthing. Earthing will be measured by earth tester and its unit is ohm. In the picture if you see, there will be a layer of charcoal, over that the salt will be there, over a layer of charcoal, over that salt will be there, over that the layer of charcoal will be there. The purpose of providing charcoal at the bottom is to avoid salt get diluted in the earth. So first layer will be charcoal, over that salt will be there, salt will maintain that humidity, over that charcoal will be placed. So over that again one layer of salt and over that charcoal and over that it will be get filled, so that the conductivity of the, because of these proportions, it will help to maintain the low resistance for the earth fault currents. Come, let us see about resistance. What is resistance? Whenever current pass through the conductor, few amount of current will get lost due to the resistance of any conductor. By nature, all the material will have a resistance property. So we are using less resistive material and easily available, which is economically reasonable as well. Example, copper is lesser resistance than aluminium. Since copper is costlier, using of copper conductor is not practical for all applications. Similarly, aluminium is lesser in cost, but due to non-flexibility, using of aluminium is also not practical for all the sizes of cables. Depends upon the requirement of the conductor materials to be selected. Industry is having wide selection option in the aluminum conductor and copper conductors as per the requirement. To make you all understand easier, you can see the difference in the picture. What will happen if there is no earthing provided in a circuit? In the left side image, if you see, there is no ground earthing provided for this human safety. So whenever there is a current passing, when there is a short circuit happen or abnormal short circuit happen, it passes through human body since there is no other alternate path to reach out the ground. So whereas in the right side image if you see, there is a grounding potential already provided. The resistance of human body is more than the resistance of the material which is used for grounding. So always the current will choose the lesser resistive path to reach the zero potential. So for human safety, earthing is necessary. Let us understand how electrical shock occurs. An electrical shock occurs when a person comes into contact with an electrical energy source. Electrical energy flows through a portion of the body causing a shock. The amount of internal current a person can withstand is less than 10 milliamps. When nerves are affected by an electric shock, the consequences including pain, tingling, numbness, weakness, or difficulty moving a limb. These effects may clear up with the time or be permanent. Best way to avoid electric shock is having insulated shoe, footwear and gloves while we operating the electrical system, and ensure the grounding earthing system is properly done in the system. The rescue plan chart is shown here for your quick understanding. So get trained how to rescue a person who affected by electrical shock will help immediately during emergency. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you soon in another interesting video. Thank you.